one thing every entrepreneur eventually realizes is that every business decisions comes with a trade-off. Like there is no strategy where you gain everything without compromising on something else. And what's exactly the trade-off analysis is? It's a very simple understanding. Like you usually think what you gain, what you risk losing, and also is it worth compromising on something at a bigger picture. And for example, if I could tell you this, like if a business wanted a faster growth, then it will definitely increase the cost. If the business wanted to invest on highly personalized AI systems, then it's definitely going to compromise on the privacy issues. And if the business wanted to reduce the cost, then it's definitely going to impact the customer experience. And there is always a question why trade off analysis is very important. That's because most of the businesses they concentrate only on one KPI or one trend, which is going to give them the short term result, and they just forget to focus on the long term impact that it's going to create. With all these, the business might temporarily increase their revenue, but what might get impacted is their trust, their retention, and also their operational stability. And that is where data science and decision intelligence becomes very valuable, because here the motive is not to just maximize the numbers, but it's to bring a very balanced decisions in the business, which is more sustainable. So now there is a question, how can entrepreneurs make better decisions? So I would always suggest, before making any move, ask these questions like, what am I going to solve? What am I gaining from this? What am I losing from this? Is my decision creating a short term growth or long term sustainability? And what will happen if my decision scales? Why again these questions are important is because businesses might look profitable today, but later it can create larger problems. And also, I would always say for a sustainable business, the entrepreneur should be very clear about the trade offs before making any kind of decisions. Only then it will be a smarter choice for them.